Tony's big birthday cake.
You're recording.
Check it out. Yay.
No, you're recording?
This is the cake.
Tony should.
Oh.
Baby, what's the cake?
It goes his birthday present. Down on the floor.
Okay, Ted, give me your lighter.
Gross, Mom. Like, we want to eat them after they've been on the
Did you really
floor.
drop it?
Let's place it in the knife.
Wait, we have to put the cake on a...
Mother.
That'll eat 'em.
I'm 13 now.
How many fell? 13?
Boy, something about that candle sure makes that cake look small.
Yeah.
No.
It's very
off the
large
light.
candle.
Shoot off the light.
Let's make the atmosphere.
There we go. Whoops.
Come on, Leo.
Right.
Leo, you're here, so you gotta give me the knife. Mom,
Bag, Leo.
give me the knife. I have to cut the cake.
Okay. Right, back up. Look at his eyes. Ew, that looks evil.
He's all singing happy birthday to himself. He's not getting ready to sing.
Go ahead. Come on, people.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tony.
Birthday, dear Tony. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Even on my birthday, the dog gets more attention than me. It's not fair.
Only by me.
Blow out your candle. Zuh. Yay!
Okay, wait. Now I gotta cut the cake.
Turn
Wait.
it on, turn the light on.
Cut the cake, cut the cake.
Okay, wait.
Wait,
How many
cutting
people
off
are
his
here?
head. You're cutting
1,
off his
2,
head.
3, 4, 5.
No, just cut the cake. Make a wish. Make a wish. Big cake.
Get away. So pathetic. Okay, stop cutting it. You don't
Oh,
need to-
okay, just left it out.
That's enough. That's mine.